Hello traders, this video is only about the stop loss trading, that how we are going to use a wonderful tool that is available on TradingView that will automatically set up the stop losses for us. And we need to manually set up this tool on our TradingView charts, and we are going to explain each and every point in this video. Okay guys, before I start this video, let me explain myself that I am a price action coach. I have a 1-hour coaching program for the price action. You can book your price action coaching with me. You need to come to me. The link of the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video below, and you can book your session with me. And guys, if you're interested in joining the best broker that I personally use, this is one of the regulated brokers that offers you a variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen. So you can join this broker from the link in the description of this video. Okay guys, so this is the very important topic, because you guys normally do not take care about the stop losses. That, for example, if you are going to execute a trade from here, then you guys don't know that actually what stop loss should be, and you guys are normally doing at the previous high of the market and the previous low of the market. Okay, so for example, if you have entered into the sell trade, so you will set up a stop loss here and then you will take the trade. Okay, and then normally I have seen that when you are entering into the buy position, let's say from here, then you will set up a stop loss at the lower on the previous low of the market, and then you will take the trade. This is the normal approach that traders follow. Okay, but we are going to use this. We are going to enhance our stop loss skills, because this is not right all the time. Okay, so that's why we have special indicators that are available on TradingView. If we don't care about the stop losses, it means that your money management part that is required to be very accurate is not working. Okay, so you cannot be a profitable trader until unless you cannot set up the proper stop losses. So that's why we are going to use this indicator. Okay, so I will tell you that what indicator is this in this video. Sorry, I will explain you. Okay, so for example, right now, if you just look at this candle, there is a dot below this candle. So I have set up this indicator here. Okay, so I have chosen that point for the entry, and then once I click at this point, then you can see that it has automatically set up the stop loss here. Now I will guide you more by attaching this indicator, so that you guys should not get bored, because there are other concepts as well that needed to be checked in that case. Okay, so first of all, we are going to remove the indicator, and then for example, we are going to choose the next chart. Okay, and now you need to write interactive ATR on TradingView. So when you will write interactive ATR on TradingView, this indicator has become the editor's pick indicator. 1670 traders are using it. So you will when you will click, it will not be displayed on your chart. Now it depends that from where you are willing to take your entry. For example, after the close of that bearish candle, you want to take your entry, you will set up it like that was the bearish scenario. Okay, so let me go to the interactive again, and then we need to write interactive ATR. So better guys, you copy this one so that you can attach it again. Okay, so for example, you are going to sell on this candle, then you will set up here. Okay, now you can see that it has attached the that this becomes, after the close of this candle, this becomes your entry, and now you can see that it has provided you with the stop loss here. Okay, and one more good factor about this indicator is, for example, if we go to the setting, and you can see that we have a take profit target as well, which is 50.000. Okay, so for example, if our profit target is something like 165.750, so let's go into the setting, and 165.750, right? Okay, so if I write this one, then if I click on display, and now you will see that it will set up something like this. Maybe I have done something wrong. Okay, already that point is hit. That's why it's not coming. Okay, so for example, let's go to some other chart, and let's do it. For example, this one, 1.34920, let's say. Okay, so first of all, we need to set up this, because this is very important. First of all, we will be going to attach the interactive ATR here. Okay, so for example, if you have entered the okay, so for example, on this candle, okay, So okay, again I have clicked on the upper side. So basically guys, you need to click on the below of the candle. That's very important. Okay, so I'm doing this mistake twice, okay, in this video, but you should not. So actually you will click below the candle where you have taken your entry. Okay, now let's go to the stop loss area, sorry, take profit area, and 1.34940. So for example, if we target that one, 1.34940, okay, and now if I click on display, okay, now you will see, okay, if I press OK, and now you can see that it has set up this blue point for me. Okay, so this is the blue level where automatically your trade is going to hit your stop or take profit. Okay, and one more thing guys, let me explain you one more time that this is very important. That for example, this we have set up a stop loss like this on this candle. Okay, so first of all, either the market can go at that point, otherwise if it hit that ATR line, your stop loss will automatically be done. Okay, so understand that concept, that if the market is going to hit the line of the stop loss, so for example, if the price comes back, hit that level, then it means that your stop loss is not valid anymore, it will be done. And this is all about the guidance for this indicator. So guys, how you find this video helpful or not, you can tell me into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.